Ini mau kemana? Ini mau kemana?
Hai, kita mau meet Singapura.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down.
Sekarang kita mau jalan-jalan, kita mau happy lah di liburan ya.
I'm the one for a good time call, phone's blowing up, ring on my doorbell.
Kita sekarang sampai di Kiara Bandung.
Oh, the meanest side of me. They took away the prophet's dream for a prophet on the street. Now she's stronger than you know. A heart of steel starts to grow. All his life he's been told he'll be nothing when he's old. All the kicks and all the blows, he won't ever let it show. 'Cause he's stronger than you know. A heart of steel starts to grow. When you've been fighting for it all your life, you've been struggling to make things right. That's how a superhero learns to fly. When you've been fighting for it all your life, you've been working every day.
Ya, kita sudah sampai ya. Kita lagi nunggu teman-teman yang naik mobil. Mana belum ada nih? Yang naik mobil bus terbuka. Ini yang naik motor sudah pada nyampe. Apa yang naik mobil udah nyampe. Itu dia. Naik mobil ya, naik mobil Tol Buntung nih.
Aku baru mandi, tak tuntuang, tapi masih cantik juga. Tak.
Ayo kamu token di ayunan.
Mau ke anak-anak tuh lagi pada dipoto. Ini lagi pada ngapain ini? Pada gaje angin. Ampun.
Lapar.
Stay here tonight, 'cause you know I feel like I'm losing my mind. Well, okay, 'cause you're here to make it alright. So baby, can you just stay where you are? This is what we've been waiting for. Now I'm up till the midnight, thinking if I should take it slow. This is how it feels like, staying out till the rising sun. We don't care, we're just having fun, making out on a rainy day. This is how it feels like. This is how it feels like.